SQL injections 100% of the time on your next bug bounty target. First of all, search for SQL injection cheat sheet and open the cheat sheet of Portugal. So Portugal have provided a list of SQL injection payloads. You can go here and study different payloads, but the major one that we will be using are the time delays. You can simply copy these particular payloads, and if you want, you can also copy out of band payloads. Once you copy these payloads and then feed it to an LLM, basically we want to generate the payloads so that these commands gets executed no matter where they are inside the query. After feeding to the LLM, hopefully you'll get a list that is something like this. Once you have these list of good payloads that are for delays and that work on major databases, for example, right now we only have payloads for Oracle, Microsoft, Postgres and MySQL. You can maybe think of other databases as well. Once we have a list of payloads, I want you to install this Burp Bounty extension. So this is a pretty good extension. This allows to customize scan checks and different stuff. Once we have installed this extension, we can see this particular tab here. We can create an active profile for SQL injection, and we can paste all the payloads at once. We will choose payload position to append because I usually have experience that it works better that time. Then we can simply navigate to responses and set the timeout to 7 and 13 because all of our payloads are of 10 seconds. Just fill in the issue name and issue description. Now we are all good to go, and we can simply run these scans and hopefully this will work. On our Burp suite, we can simply navigate and open the web application here, and you can simply do right click, scan, and inside the configuration you can simply select extensions only. So what this will do is it will only use Burp Bounty configuration that we have added to scan for the issue. As you can see, only one extension is enabled right now, and inside Burp Bounty there is only one active profile and that's enabled. Within few minutes be able to detect the SQL injection issue. As you can see inside the logger, our traffic will be of SQL injection payloads everywhere, and we see on target we get a red hit, and you can see here the SQL injection is detected. So basically this is the payload that detected the SQL injection, and we can simply right click on repeater and verify it. As you can see, this is the Portugal lab. So yeah, for more videos like this, please subscribe.